The AUTIQ stands for Autism and IQ. Autism spectrum disorder or ASD is a developmental disability caused by differences in the brain. Some people with ASD have known differences, such as genetic condition. Other causes are not yet known. Scientists believe that there are multiple causes of ASD that act together to change the most common ways people develop. Autism spectrum disorder is a serious issue nowadays because it's a condition related to brain and brain development that impacts how a person perceives and socializes with others, causing problems in social interaction and communication. The children who show symptoms of ASD shows limited and repetitive patterns of behavior. The children with these types of symptoms have IQ level near zero. Our target is to improve the IQ level of these types of childs. Now, why we select this project? Because we can't think of our nation's prosperity keeping a part of our people put away. We have to make them or improve them to manpower, not burden of our society. We know that the country who have more manpower is more developed. Our slogan is, if they can't learn in our way, we will teach them in their way. Main objectives of our project is, in our project we should build an application, and via this application we will teach the childs the basic things so that their IQ level should be increased. Basic things means symbols about weather, birds, fruits, etc. We will use machine learning and artificial intelligence tool here in future. Via our project, we should try to teach them basic things that should increase their IQ level. As our users are special children, they can't log in or can't sign up. In that case, the guardian will log in for their child and their children will do the due, or their parents or guardians will help them operate it. Also, their guardians can determine their children's improvement. In our project, we should teach them basic things like color, birds, fruits, flowers, weather and other things mentioned earlier, and then there should be quiz option for them to test their improvement. There should be different puzzles for them. In some cases, AI should need it, we will add them further. The scope of our project is limited to user. As this is for special childs, it is different from other web or apps. The children who don't have problems with electronic devices can only use that, because in some cases doctors advised not to use electronic devices. Tools and technologies we use there are Java, Spring Boot, JPA, JSP, Spring Security, MySQL, Ajax, REST API. We follow MVC pattern and Gradle build tool. Here's the flowchart of our project. First of all, there should be home page. There are two types of users mainly. One is registered, one is unregistered, and other types of user or super user we will call them admin. An unregistered user can only visit the home page, about page and contact page. If he or she want to visit learning page, then he or she had to sign up, and after sign in or login, he can go to his dashboard, and from there he can go to puzzles page or learning page. In learning page, there he can play mini games or learn about the things I already mentioned earlier, and after that he can take quiz, and after quizzes he can see their score. This is the main perspective of our project. From now on, my teammate will continue.
Okay, now we will see our project demonstration. First of all, we see our full project, then we are actually go through our code as well. Now we run our project, and after running our project we actually visit our localhost port 8080. Then our project is running fully. Then now I'm visiting our project by the localhost 8080, and our project is now running. This is our home page of our project, and home page is look like that. And also here we see some page navigation, learning, quiz, IQ, about, and contact. Without login, we can visit our home page, about page, and contact page. Now I visit about page. This is our about page, look like this, and also contact page. And after sign in, if here we are actually new, then we have to create an account for sign up. Now we are actually sign up page. Mehdi this is my username, and if there is like this name of the user is exist of our database, then it actually show us a error. Now I actually fully new name and the password as well, ABC, and my account is actually created. If we go to our database and then user, here we see that the Mehdi2 and password is actually encrypted password and a role as a user. Okay, and then login as Mehdi as a user, Mehdi2, and also password. After a login, we can visit a learning page, quiz page, and OTQ page. Now we can visit a learning page. Here this is our learning page, and you know that the autistic should cannot learn such a way we can teach them. That's why we are actually create this project and they can learn easily. Now we can visit for learning color page. The data of our color page are actually fetched from REST API, and front end actually called the AJAX. Then we get the data of the color image. And now after learning the color, we can attempt quiz or back and home. Now we go to the quiz page. Here, this is our quiz page. Here after learning the color, we can attempt as a quiz, and here blue submit, red submit. If we submit, then it will actually show an error. Without any choice we cannot submit. And green, yellow, and purple. Here is show the score of our quiz. If we go to puzzle, then here we see a one puzzle game, and it's actually interesting game. Now back to our home page. This is our OTQ project, and if after learning we have to log out from our page so that we can actually visit as a admin. Log out, admin. If you are a admin, you have to log in as a admin, and password we have to give him the password. And after login, we see our admin page where we can add more item, and also the color, and also quiz. And suppose we want to add a quiz, suppose we have to add the image for our quiz, and go Java teammate and quiz. Suppose we are actually want to assign quiz lake, right, in nose, and we have to give the option for our quiz test. leg, and also mm, say in the hand, and we have to select the answer for that, and this is answer leg, and we have to also give the point for our quiz test. This is successfully added. If we actually log out from here and check out the data actually updated or not, if we see that the uh, quiz page, then we will see that the updated on the database as a category 3. And also if we log in again to our page, Mehdi D2 and ABC, then we go to check our quiz is updated or not. Year, eye, face, here, finger, finger actually double, I guess, leg, also leg, such a way that we are actually added our quiz. And now we can delete as well as admin. Now this is our code part, and we go to